Good morning, Tita Nils here. Bubuksan na naman akong box from Amazon. Parang palagi lang ako. Ay, puti yung buhok ko, puti pa rin ang background. Hayaan nyo na. Puro naman talaga ako uban. Anyway, balik ako dito. Box na naman from Amazon. Let's see, ano ba ito? Sipag ang Amazon, ganun pag kahit isang order, if you are a Prime member, i-deliver na. Oh, alam ko na, laruan ng mga pusa. Matakin mo yung pati pusa. I'm giving time. I'm giving them attention. Remember, we have a baby kitten. The name is Loki. And he is so naughty. He played and play in the evening. So I'm usually awake in the evening because it's loud, it's so noisy. Loki is bullying Benji. So Benji has no other choice but to play with Loki. But they are chasing each other back and forth, and they knock down crystals. So I bought another toy, but he has plenty of toys already. So he's really a baby. He likes to play. So let's see what is this. The name is Electric Rotating Cat Toy, Automatic Butterfly. Kaya that is why I chose this one, because it's a butterfly. You know, I'm a butterfly mom too. I raise butterfly. It's so cute. Let's see. How many butterflies? Butterflies. Okay, let's see. Only one time? One at a time? Siguro when it's destroyed, you have a replacement. How do you push it down? Why? How? There you go. And so, oh, there is no battery. What is the battery? Your pet with care. I'll go look for a battery, okay? So, I'm here. I have double A. So, let's see. The back. Paano na nga? Is this like this? The last one. And let's see. Oh. What's the other one? Oh, okay. So it's done. Put this in. So this is up and on. Oh, different kind. How many style? That is funny. Okay, I will put this. And let's see if Loki will play. And then, if I catch him, I will video. Okay, dokie. Saan ba? Gumastos na naman ako sa akin pusa. Okay. dito ka. Para in case, pag nasira, may kapalit siya. Diba? Tita Nils, babu.
We'll address those issues. We got to address inflation. We got to address runaway prices. Those are the things that the American people want us to do.
What do you think of Kevin McCarthy this week saying he might expunge one or two of the impeachments against Donald Trump? What is going on?
I think that's a little bit too much. This already happened. It happened twice, and I think that for him to now try to take into account something that occurred under a different majority, under different circumstances, is a little bit out of his